Welcome back to another video, and today we're talking about porcelain paving slabs. We've had to take these slabs back up on 3 separate occasions this year, and it's because the customers have regretted choosing them. The main problem is they can get very slippery when wet, especially through the winter. This customer had actually slipped on these during the winter and decided they want to replace them with a gravel path with edging. So I'm just going to show you the process we went through of taking them up. And we used them in the back garden just to save on throwing them away, as the customer already had quite a large patio and path area out the back. So as always, the customer chose these slabs themselves, so it's not about blaming anyone. I just wanted to make people aware that these are not always as they seem. They look great, flawless and clinical, modern look, but they do have some downsides. I'd like to know what you guys think. Have you used these yourself? Are they slippery? Or do you have no issues whatsoever? So let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what experiences you've had with these, and are they worth it?